Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and first look of the KESIWO GT957. This is one of the newer releases from this consortium or manufacturer that produces a line of knives that features D2 blade steel and Micarta handle scales. Like I probably mentioned in my previous videos when I reviewed the model 956, there are two models that do not come in this configuration, so brown Micarta, and that is this is one of them, so the 957. So the 957 features a 20.7 centimeters or 8.15 overall length. We have a blade length of 8.6 centimeters, 3.4 inches. The handle length is 12.1 centimeters or 4.7 inches. The blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. The blade thickness is 3.2 millimeters or 0.12 inches. And the handle thickness is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Like I mentioned, the blade features a D2 tool steel, which is marked right there. And the handles and hardware is made out of 420 stainless steel, which is skeletonized, and we have on this one the dark green micarta scales. This is a liner construction. The pivot assembly features a KVT style ball bearing washers. This one has a sheep's foot blade. You can open it up also via this opening hole here, but the preferred opening method is of course the flipper, just because it is a little bit obscured, but definitely you can put your finger there. This one has not a deep carry pocket clip. I don't know why, but I opted probably for the users who don't like a deep carry pocket clip, with a standard pocket clip, which is also mirror polished. We have a generous lanyard hole at the end here, and a black partial backspacer. Okay, the liner lock has really nice and early engagement. Let's try out the. So this is nice, no blade pay whatsoever. And I don't know why they're not making this one with brown micarta. So it, but it is what it is. I bought one just to complete the collection here on my channel. So the weight comes into 97.6 grams or 3.4 ounces. Now let me show you the pocket profile. Like all previous knives from this range, from this series, it will go nicely in and out of jean pocket. This is how much it will stick out, so you have enough place to grab it. Let's check out also the sharpness. So these are nice and sharp, but I certainly feel a little bit of toothiness to the edge, so just give it a few passes on your favorite strap and it will be even more sharper. Okay, now so let's see some size comparisons. So let's bring out back the 956, and of course when the series is done, I will make a video with all of them, compare them side by side. So These two are probably the largest, if I'm not mistaken. Also the 955, which is the cleaver one, is a little bit, probably a little bit larger than this one. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with CVV Elementum, Kubi Eris, Kaiser Begleiter 2, and Cebu from Two Knives, Pelican from QSP, Bucksprint Pro, Ace Ground from Giant Mouse, Spyderco Delica, CVV Rustic Gent, Kershaw Blur, Large Graptilian, Wright Model 1, Spyderco Endura, Kaiser Pinch, .940 from Benchmade, Bug Vintage Pro, Kershaw Leak, the Model 111 from Tucson Knives, Small Graptilian from Benchmade, K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, and let's also take out the Rough Rider Peanut. Okay, so overall, I would say this one has a really interesting contoured handle, so it will fit really nicely in your hand. And if you are looking for a nice, inexpensive sheep's foot flipper with Micarta and D2, then this is also one nice option out there. Price-wise, these are priced at $25.99, but usually they will be on sale, and you can find them as low as $19 and change. So yes, definitely it is a good budget option out there if you don't have that much money to spend and want a, let's say, decent 20-some centimeter or 8-inch EDC knife. Like I mentioned, these can be found under different brand names. So this here on the table happens to be the KESIWO GT957. KESIWO does not put any kind of branding on the blade, so only the steel is marked right there. But if you are looking for another brand, then there is also Freetiger, Tunafire, and one more, I forgot the name, but yeah, if you're looking, if you look for the model number that is GT or FT 957, you will find them online. I will put, of course, also a link down below. If you like, you can check out the seller. If they are available on the link, I cannot guarantee, because it is what it is. I don't know when you are looking at this video, so yeah. But anyway, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. Also, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes there's other stuff regarding my other hobbies. So with that said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.